crib that was used for Abby and Esther and Evangeline. This is the baby's room.
Esther, do you have your chocolate milk?
You can't go out there.
Esther, do you have your chocolate milk?
Esther, you can't go out that door. You can go out that way. You can't go out the other door. You can't go out the other door. You can't go out the other door. Yeah, I can. Okay, go. Go out the other door. Go out the other door. Get ready to go up.
Jessica's over there.
Lambo.
What's your name? What's your name?
Three.
Or your name?
Are you Abby?
I'm Esther.
Esther. And you're how old, Esther?
Esther.
See Esther's up there.
On the wall?
Yeah, on the wall.
Which one is she?
I told.
Which one is Esther?
Who is this?
Graham. Esther's up there. Can I look now? Can I look?
Who is this, darlings?
Esty.
Okay, sing Rock-a-bye Baby for us, Esther.
Rock-a-bye baby.
Here, hold your doggy.
The tree,
Here.
the brambles play the rock, and the brambles play the rock. And then, like Pinocchio's play the rock.
Where did we get our tree from, Esther?
Look at Christmas tree.
Did we buy it at the store? Or did we go to a farm? And what did we do? Was it just laying on the ground?
No, we gotta cut the tree.
Stand by the tree so that you can be in the picture too.
And we had to cut it down. We had to cut it down. I cut it down too. I watched Daddy cut it down. I told to look.
Honey, please don't.
Tell us more, okay?
What else did we do when we were looking at the Christmas trees?
You say we watched Daddy cut it down?
We climbed up the mountain. We got a ride in the
In a wagon?
We go up
was the wagon?
here, and then
What was the wagon for?
to put the Christmas tree in.
Oh.
Then I fall like this.
You did? You fell down?
Yeah.
Wow. And then you came home with the Christmas tree, and what do we do?
We set it up and put decorations on it. We got to save it.
Okay. We see you, Esther.
Esther, come stand over by Mommy and do that.
What I want for Christmas is
Turn
I
around.
want Uncle.
There you go.
I want Uncle for Christmas.
Look at Daddy.
I want
Smile.
Uncle for Christmas. I want Uncle for Christmas.
Santa, can you tell Daddy about it?
I saw Santa
Where?
at the plane.
And what'd you do?
I saw him and I kissed him and I shook his hand and then I sit on his lap and I saw a candy cane.
He got a candy cane to you?
Yeah.
What'd you do with the candy cane?
I ate it.
Is it good?
No, she did not eat it. I saw it last night when Megan was basing it under the trail.
Yeah, she ate it.
Esther, can you tell me what you're playing? What's that?
I will wait it.
How do you play it?
Look now! I put it
Actually.
in here. But I want
Say hi, Oma and Opa.
Hi, Mama and Opa.
Where did you go in the car, bud?
Hi, Grandma and Grandpa.
Where'd you go in the car just now?
I go
Who'd we go get?
I get Emily.
Do you remember when Grandma came to visit us? Can you tell me about
Did she
Grandma?
bring you a present?
Yeah, she did.
What'd she bring you?
And I opened it,
What was it?
and it's a little cat.
It was a cat.
Uh-huh.
Oh, I thought she brought you a little dolly.
Oh, yeah, little dolly. A little dolly.
And is Uncle coming to visit?
Yeah, I can't see.
Good evening, I'm Jim Lara. On the news hour tonight, President Lee Compton sent a new appointment. Analysis by Mark Shields.
Say bye, Omanopa.
Bye,
I love you. I did. Say bye, Grandma and Grandpa.
Bye,
I love you.
I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you, Emily. I love you, everybody.
The airport?
Yeah, it's the airport.
That must have been fun.
Yeah, that was fun. We get on the muddy shoes.
Gonna get on your muddy shoes now?
Uh-huh.
Gonna go play outside? See Jay?
Can you dance? Natural rhythm. This is the grunge baby.